So in this video, what I want to do is break down my analysis on Just a Chill Guy Santa Edition. So a little bit of history on what is Just a Chill Guy. It is currently like the #1 trend in meme coin on TikTok. This meme coin kicked off sometime late last year and it kind of died out a little bit. And right now, like as I'm making this video, it is breaking out. It is breaking out so much that people are creating spin-offs. And here is a spin-off edition of it pretty much. And I'm going to show you why I believe that you guys should trade this right now. Christmas is coming up. People are looking for Christmas things and they definitely have a Christmas theme going on here and all the hype around the brand itself. So let's jump into the chart now and see if the technical analysis matches up with what I'm talking about. So if you look at this chart right here, it looks a little bit abnormal. I know, new traders probably don't know what I'm talking about right here, but I don't like this chart pattern right here. This doesn't look good, but I'll show you what does look good. See all of this right here? This is normal trading. This looks super healthy. And the reason why I think that this is a good thing for a day trade is because of what is actually going on in this area. So let's zoom in on the chart and break it down a little bit. So we could see that markets head up right here. And what happened? We pulled back. This is great. The pullback is good. So where's the significant areas? So right here was our highest point. Right there was the high coming in at about 1.04 billion. That was the highest point. And right here, we started to make some lows. So let's keep going a little bit. I'm going to show you why this is a good buy. So by the way, I'm on the 5-minute chart. You want to be on the 5-minute chart if you're thinking about day trading. So this video is not intended for folks that want to buy at the bottom and just hold this forever. No. This is going to be a day trade setup. You want to be in and out of this thing within about an hour, maybe 2 hours max. Okay. So what we're looking at right here is consolidation. Consolidation is great, but for folks that are trying to trade like right now, this minute, consolidation is bad. For me, consolidation is great because I know something great is about to happen during consolidation. Consolidation is when the markets move sideways. You really can't make any money when the market's moving sideways unless you're really good. So the good thing about the sideways action is that we must at some point experience a breakout, and we did right here on this candle was the breakout. You draw a line. This is what you want to do. You want to draw a line right at the top of consolidation and right at the bottom. And you see right there, that was the break. That was the break right there that we needed. Because we don't want to short it, we want to buy it. As a day trader, you're typically looking to buy at the support areas. And if you pay attention right here at the breakout area, we pulled back really quick to the close of the bar, picking up support. Traders got in right there, rode it up. Second chance for entry was right here as soon as we made a higher high on this bar. So if we look a little bit closer, we had high, high, high. And this was a lower high. So you're looking for a break of that lower high, which would be this bar, and your entry would be right here on this line. That's your entry. And you ride it up, get out right there. What is happening right now? If you guys see this line that I drew, very significant. And hopefully you're watching this video today because I'm thinking this thing is going to be a trade that you can actually make today or maybe even tomorrow. It's 2 ways to trade this. You can trade it right now, like on this bar. So right here's the support line, and we pulled right back to support. That's where you're supposed to buy. You're supposed to buy at support, which is the bottom. That's the bottom for day traders. It's called support, and up here is resistance. That's where you're supposed to sell. So you see we shot up, we came back down right to support, right here. But I personally don't like to buy at the exact support line. I'm showing you guys exactly where you're supposed to buy right now. So it bounced off support, closed right here, and this bar made a higher high. The entry is supposed to be right here. If you're looking for a good buy on this, what you do is wait until it pulls right back down to the support area and go back up and do the same thing it did right here. That would be your entry. And that is probably going to happen in a few minutes from now. Whoever buys right here should be able to sell in this area. Now, what happens if you miss this whole move right here? First of all, let's see how much profits that is. That's about 30% profit. So what happens if you miss this 30% move? It's all good because we have Christmas season going on and we have the Just a Chill Guy explosive meme going on. I'm thinking we're going to test resistance, and this is where the explosion might happen. So pay very close attention to this part right here, because I think anyone that's watching this video should be able to catch this move. So this might be tradable for you. This, again, remember, is resistance. That's resistance up there. So if price goes up here, and it doesn't have to, but let's say it does, hits resistance, we're going to probably stumble, head back down, and test it again. Or we're probably going to head up, hit it, bounce back a little bit, and shoot right through it. Now, what you want to do is wait. So let's pretend as if we are breaking through resistance. I'm going to show you guys how to get a quick day trade off of this. So if the price shoots and closes above resistance, see how I'm drawing the bar now? If the price closes above resistance, you just want to wait for it to pull back just a little bit. So probably something like this. And then you wait for this bar right here. And your entry would be right here. Basically the same exact thing that's happening here, because in every market, support at some time might turn into resistance. So down here is the support line. Up here is currently the resistance. The opposite might happen if we come up here. This line might transform from resistance and turn into support, and you're supposed to buy as close to this line as possible. But again, remember, you want to follow the same formation as what happened down here. If you can't visualize it, just try to get this picture in your head and duplicate it in this area, and you should have a day trade. If you guys have not yet subscribed to this channel, go ahead and make sure to subscribe, because I have a lot more strategies that you guys can, follow along with. And be sure to give this video a like. I will see you guys in my next Memecoin video. Peace out.